All right. So got the open here, got a push up, and then a second push up while the tick had opened up high. And also we had like a 30-point gap. So my thought was that the tick would come down, maybe make a second push up, and we would get it would roll over into the gap. That did not happen. I guess between the gap and how it pushed up, I should have just decided to look long only. But I love the going against the market type trades. But anyway, so the it started working slightly in my favor, but did not go. And these trades just need to go, and they need to go quick. So I gave it a little bit of extra time. But when I saw that it was not going, once it popped back positive, I just cut it. Or I don't even know if I actually did wait for it to pop back positive. I just cut it. Um, yeah, so then I attempted a with trade, which I don't think was such a bad move. Again, I was a little bit biased, I guess, towards the the market kind of come all the way back down. Seemed like to be a bit of a range, and then I was expecting it to try to go and close that gap. So we had a little pullback, but again, it just did not go, and I ended up cutting it early. Um, yeah, yeah. So it got so I just cut it there. After there's just still no follow through whatsoever. So then actually I noticed that it was diverging to the long side, broke through there, and then it kind of leveled out. I did not take it just because, again, it was coming back into all those levels. You can see those volume nodes right there, two big ones right above. It did have the value low, um, but yeah, it just didn't seem like a high probability trade to me, so I skipped it. Of course, it worked. Came right up to the value high, rolled over. All right, so this one's starting to get a divergence. Um, and again, it looked like a sort of a range day to me. Price had really been sideways. I guess that again the MAs are trending up, but I thought it'd be a good spot to be a little aggressive and let it roll over. I took a pretty close take profit, came within a few ticks of my take profit, and then just reversed on me. So I don't remember if I cut this one or got stopped out, but ATR was super low, so maybe I guess I was asking too much, but I figured it could get to the next reasonable level. Um, so then I got an 800. I really didn't like it very much, but again, it was a range, sort of a range. It felt like a range, but again, I guess with the gap, it was kind of a high consolidation on an uptrend. Totally got stopped out on that, but had taken smaller size, and then got some divergence. Again, we were kind of at the high of the day, high of the range. Thought there'd be a shot it would roll over to the bottom of the range. Went 10 ticks or so in my direction, and then just totally came back and stopped me out. Luckily, I kept the size smaller as just clearly the day was not working in my favor. Yeah, so that was it on the trades for the day. I'm just I kept the video running here just to kind of show it, like got more divergence, you know, just basically nothing to the shorts I was working at all today. Um, yeah. Let's see there. It was, you know, quick pop down to the 15, but no follow through, and just slowly grind it up for the rest of the day. Yeah, so just looking, I mean, I really did not have a lot of confirmation on these trades. Basically, they're mostly low confidence trades, especially the last two. So, yeah, I think it just, again, just kind of a little bit of an improvement on the trade selection would go a long way.